Hi everyone, this is John from DroidDog.com, and this is my video review of the camera on Sprint's HTC Hero. If you're watching this at DroidDog, check down below this video and you'll find sample photographs and sample videos from the Hero. If you're watching at YouTube, click the link in the description and it'll take you to the page with those samples. So when you first open the camera, you can see that it had a little pop-up that said you can press the trackball to take a photo. In the upper right hand corner you have the button to switch between still photos and video, and down below you have the button to get back to your gallery. If you hit the menu, you'll see the camera settings here, and it's a contextual menu based on whether you're in the still camera or video camera. For resolution settings, 5 megapixel, 3 megapixel, 1 megapixel, and then small. And I'm just going to go through those slowly so you can see what the resolutions are. Next option is white balance if you want it on auto, if you want to set it for the type of lighting. Brightness, which you can drag or hit the plus and minus buttons. Zoom. Now, I don't think there's any other way. And here you can tap the screen to zoom once you have that menu option selected. But I don't think there's any way to zoom without going into the menu. I haven't found any way. I've tried using the trackball and the volume button and tapping the screen and doing pinch gestures and such. Let me get something in the image here. So you see that those gestures do nothing. Tapping the screen actually takes a picture. So I'm losing focus. We'll get rid of that. And then you have settings, geotagging, autofocus, sound effects, visual effects, grayscale, sepia, and negative, standard stuff. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let's go past the ones at the top again so you can see those. Okay, now if you're in video mode, also have resolution. Somebody asked about this, what the top video resolution is, and you can see right there, 352 by 288. And I'm including samples of each resolution for the video down below. For the images, I only did the highest. But of course those are compressed JPEGs, and then I resize them for the preview. But if you click each preview, it will open up a full-sized image at Photo Bucket. So you can see some of these options are just exactly the same as they are in the still camera. Zooming works the same, which, you know, I haven't even tried this yet. Let's try starting a video and then zooming in the middle of it, because, you know, a lot of people like to do that. I do it all the time with my regular camera, so gotta keep something kind of off in the distance so we don't lose focus there. Okay, so we are now recording a video. You can see the flashing red light up there and it's counting how many seconds. But if I hit menu, it doesn't do anything. Yeah, there's no way to zoom during a video. So I'll stop that. And then my options are to go to the gallery. So that went away far too quickly. But if I go back to the gallery, I see this image here. I can trash it, go back to record mode, share, which gives me Facebook. I have two entries there because of the built-in Sense Facebook integration, and I installed the app from the marketplace. Flickr, Gmail, SMS, or I guess I should say MMS, Mail, Peep, Picasa, and directly to YouTube, which is how I'm going to upload my test videos that you'll see below. You can go back to the list of albums. Let's just go into all videos because those are actually transferred from my Mac. And then you can just scroll through them like that. In either orientation. Clean up the screen a little bit. Now all of my sample videos and photos below were taken with the default settings. For the video I'm going to include different resolutions, but all of the other settings, the brightness, the white balance, all of that is exactly as it was set in the phone when I got it, which is automatic. But I'll just show you the photographing real quick. Not too exciting. Sometimes I don't get great response from that switch button. I don't know if I'm just impatient and I'm not waiting long enough. I'm sure that's probably what it is. We'll do a little test here, and I'll do it 4 or 5 times in a row real quick. You can see it auto-focusing, and I'm just going as quick as I can here. Okay, now what if you want to be able to take pictures a lot more rapidly than that? What you want to do is go into your settings. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Settings. Let's uncheck review after capture and just see how quickly we can go taking pictures. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's obviously guessing. I should look at my clock on my camera here and count with it. So I'll do that. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah, it's 5 seconds in between shots because it's saving to SD card. Now you can, I believe, change the setting on where it's saved. See, I get impatient when a button doesn't respond to me. Let's turn on the timestamp. Probably goes a little bit more slowly when you geotag. Okay, maybe that's something that you just can't change. I was going to see if I could temporarily store it in the phone's memory for rapid picture taking, but it just says storage card, so I'm not sure if that's there in case you have an accessory, some sort of plug-in that you could store them on so you can take pictures more rapidly. I don't know. Okay, now when you're in your gallery, you hit menu. You can do a slideshow, share all the same ways, set it as a contact avatar, as your wallpaper, rotate it, delete it, crop it, change settings. Someone also wanted me to bog down the camera the same way I did the browser, but I actually got requests to bog down the phone with virtually every application available that it comes with, so I can't do that. You can look at the browser one to see how it behaves when it's wanting for resources. But that's my Hero camera review. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I answered your questions. I'm sorry if I missed anything. Stay tuned to droiddog.com. Thanks for watching.